Hello and welcome to Teledyne SP Devices. My name is Thomas Elter. I'm the North American Field Applications Engineer. Today we want to talk about certain aspects of time domain analysis of signals. That aspect is trying to detect small infrequent signals, or in essence, as we may call, finding a needle in a haystack. So to do this type of analysis with our high-performance digitizers, the ADQ14 and ADQ7, we have the advanced time domain firmware package that we can install on the digitizer. That advanced time domain package includes waveform averaging, which helps to increase the dynamic range you would need to find those small amplitude signals. So we have in this demonstration right here where we've got the large amplitude signals and a small amplitude signal buried in the circle here. We've done the initial accumulation to eliminate the random noise, but what happened was the pattern noise that existed within the signal increased, which is shown here on the right hand side, which is what's in this little blue circle or white circle right here. So the pattern noise can come from such things as small, minute offsets between interleaved ADCs and other aspects of the signal. And so those offsets are constant. And thus, when you do accumulations, that pattern noise grows. One way we can suppress the pattern noise is to apply our digital baseline stabilization signal processing. When you apply that signal processing, you can see here in the blue trace how much the pattern noise has been reduced. The gray representing the original pattern noise, and now the new processed signal with the blue trace there shows that now both the random noise and pattern noise has been suppressed. One problem with the waveform averaging, though, is that for those infrequent signals, they can also be averaged out over time. So you need a method to be able to selectively gather the information on those pulses and use that in the accumulations. So we apply a threshold, and that threshold then, everything that is above that threshold is retained in the acquisition records, and everything below that threshold is set to 0. Then we do accumulations of those records. So what we're trying to show here in this instance, when we do that application of thresholding, this blue trace over here on the side now shows you where that small amplitude infrequent signal has occurred. In this particular example, the small amplitude signal is 1/10,000th the amplitude, and its occurrence is 1/1000th. So in this example here, we basically had 10 occurrences of the pulse here that was accumulated. So this highlights some of the key aspects of the advanced time domain firmware package that you can utilize with our high performance digitizers. This concludes the demonstration, and if you'd like some more information on the advanced time domain firmware package and our digitizers, go to our documentations page on our website or contact your local sales representative. Thank you for watching.